With the PC facing forward, turn the PC on its side, and you will notice in the back a blue knob. Turn it towards you. You'll see the case slide a little bit. Now, take your hand underneath the front lip, pull forward and up. That'll take the case off. Now you'll see there are two wires here for the hard drive. Take your hand, wiggle and pull. Wiggle and pull. And you have the two cables out. Now, you take your two fingers on these two knobs, pinch, and slide till the little metal notches are over the blue notches in the plastic, so that you can actually lift up. Hard drive is out. To put the hard drive back in, on an angle, put it in, pinch, line up the metal notch with that opening, and slide it. You'll see there's little metal notches right there in those openings. Kind of line it up so it slides, and you want it to slide in underneath. Beware your cables. They could be there a little bit. You might need to push it out of the way a little bit. And you'll see it slides right in and locks. These go right into those little holes so it doesn't come out. It'll move a little bit. When you put it back in, this cable right here will go right into the connector. I recommend putting power in first, and then hard drive in, because putting the hard drive in first and the power becomes a little bit harder. That is it. To put the case cover back on, you will actually see, just put the cover back on so the lip is to the front. To line up the case, I recommend putting it so you see most of the entire bar, and just kind of rocking. You'll see there's a slight overhang on each side, and then just sliding it forward and it'll click. As long as everything's nice and flat, you are done. You can now hook up your PC and your hard drive is finished.